All else equal, will an increase in the productivity of capital always decrease the quantity of labor that a firm hires? Illustrate and explain using isoquant-isocost analysis. So the answer to this question simply is no. And we can think of cases, particularly complements, but let's look at specifically at perfect complements. So here we have perfect complements where we've got our isoquant at a right angle, and we can put in an isocost, and so this represents our most efficient point, where this being the quantity of labor that we have, and this being the quantity of capital. If capital is becoming more productive, then what that simply means is that to produce the exact same quantity, we're going to require less capital, but the same quantity of labor. So I'm labeling this Q1 because it simply represents the exact same quantity of our production. And if our goal then is to produce that quantity at minimum cost, so we're cost minimizing, then our new ISO cost, assuming that the cost of capital and the cost of labor have remained the same, it's going to be parallel to the original ISO cost, and this is going to be our new quantity. The quantity of labor is going to remain the same. The quantity of capital is going to be reduced. So as we see, we've increased the productivity of capital, but that hasn't changed the quantity of labor that we are employing.